A bicycle, a microscope, an airplane. These and countless objects have a common origin. They were manufactured using machine tool technology. The machine tool industry is a key sector. It has a direct impact on European manufacturing and therefore in the transition to a more circular economy. Machine tools are durable. Many of them last over 20 years and then are completely refurbished. They are designed in a modular way, which helps maintenance, remanufacturing and disassembly at the end of their life. Moreover, around 83% of a machine tool is made of metallic materials easily recyclable. The biggest environmental impact of machine tools is energy consumption during the use phase. To address this aspect, the sector has embarked in the development of international standards. Companies are also continuously researching new approaches for even better energy efficiency and performance. Their goal is to develop new manufacturing strategies to reduce energy and consumption of resources, while meeting customers' demands for improved quality and productivity. Digital technologies can play an important role too. They will help effective control of resource consumption and allow predictive maintenance. These technologies help to get quality products and extended lifetime of machine tools. Additive manufacturing is another technology that can support the circular economy. It allows to print spare parts on demand and carry out cost-effective repairs and remanufacturing. It can produce complex parts with lighter weight that can, for example, help the transport sector to save fuel. What else should the sector do? The machine tool sector should systematically implement circular economy principles, showcase best practices, and continue working on global industry-led standards. What should policymakers do? Policymakers should avoid one-size-fits-all approaches, support the digitization of European industry, support the development of new enabling technologies, fund research and provide incentives that can support a faster transition to the circular economy.